You ready? Action.
Hey guys, Ronnie and Mindy here with R&M Arms in Miko, Oklahoma. It is Wednesday morning, July 16th. We're going to draw for this Zastava PAP M85 5.56 pistol. Got to be 21 to win this one. Comes with the bag, 3 mags, and 200 tickets in the hopper, and last one will be the winner.
Let's go. There you go.
All right. Pete Rodriguez, David Simpson, Carol Dobson, Daniel Stuckey, Micah Carney, Michael Roberts, Carol Dobson, Scott Meter, Charles Greer, Danny Alexander, Ryan Casey, David Simpson, Micah Carney, Alan Cooper, Carol Dobson, Javier Lopez, Micah Carney, David Simpson, Alex Bean, Craig Edwards, Javier Lopez, Charles Greer, Daniel Stuckey, Bill Alterman, Robert Cotapony, Charles Greer, Ryan Casey, David Simpson, Michael Roberts, Danny Alexander, David Simpson, Daniel Stuckey, Danny Alexander, Joby Toho, Daniel Stuckey, Danny Alexander, David Simpson, Jeff Evans, Ryan Casey, Alan Cooper, Charles Greer, Gregory Cooper, Ryan Casey, Steve Bishop, Micah Carney, Dalen Youngblood, David Simpson, Christopher Mitchell, C. Anderson, Ryan Casey, Daniel Stuckey, Dalen Youngblood, Daniel Stuckey, David Simpson, Daryl Bishop, Carol Dobson, Micah Carney, Danny Alexander, Carol Dobson, Ryan Casey, Robert Cotapony, Frank Sires, Ramon Pizarro, Micah Carney, Alex Bean, Daniel Stuckey, Andrew East, Ryan Casey, Tori Thomas, Jeff Evans. Ryan Casey, Logan Litke, Ryan Casey, Daniel Stuckey, Ryan Casey, David Simpson, Danny Alexander, Micah Carney, David Simpson, Gunnar Taylor, Ryan Casey, Daniel Stuckey, Shane Welling, Frank Sires, Ryan Casey, Carol Dobson, Daniel Stuckey, Danny Alexander, Sophia Ramirez, Christopher Mitchell, Daniel Stuckey, David Simpson, Ramon Pizarro, Steve Bishop, Tommy Stein, Ryan Casey, Bill Dunn, Frank Sires, Micah Carney, Scott Meter, David Simpson, Micah Carney, Tommy Stein, Dalen Youngblood, David Simpson, Daniel Stuckey, Tori Thomas, Micah Carney, Ryan Casey, David Simpson, Sandra Hernandez, David Simpson, Derek Reynoso, Daniel Stuckey, Robert Cotapony, Gunnar Taylor, Ryan Casey, Tommy Stein, Ryan Casey, Steve Bishop, Tommy Stein, Ryan Casey, Daniel Stuckey, Ryan Casey, Charles Greer, Daniel Stuckey, Carol Dobson, Blake Gifford, Brandon Caruth, Daniel Stuckey, Ryan Casey, Daryl Bishop, Greg Cooper, Daniel Stuckey, Scott Meter.
Yep. That's not very many.
Jeff Evans, Edward Sorrells, Michael Carney, Daniel Stuckey, Daryl Bishop, C. Anderson, Brandon Caruth, Micah Carney, Bill Dunn, Micah Carney, David Simpson, Danny Alexander, Carol Dobson, Thomas Stein, Danny Alexander. Adrian Gomez, Robert Cotaponi, Daniel Stuckey, Andrew East, Daryl Bishop, Pete Rodriguez, Carol Dobson, Scott Meter, Ryan Casey, Derek Reynoso, Daniel Stuckey, Micah Carney, David Simpson, Javier Lopez, Daniel Stuckey, Micah Carney, Daniel Stuckey, what are you doing? David Simpson, Robert Russell, Daniel Stuckey, Lana Smith, Robert Russell, Adrian Gomez, Frank Sires, Sandra Hernandez, Daniel Stuckey, Carol Dobson, Javier Lopez, Danny Alexander,
Sorry, we have
Joby
two
Toho, Lana
outside.
Smith,
Two left.
last two. Got me all stressed out. C. Anderson, and the winner is Christopher Mitchell. Congratulations, Christopher Mitchell. You won the Zastava PAP M85, so come in and do the background and pick that up. Next up, we have a Walther WMP. This is a 22 mag optic cut.
15 rounds.
15 rounds. Comes with 2 boxes of 22 mag ammo. We're going to do 100 tickets on this one at $10 a piece, and that one will start now. Thanks.
Thank you, guys.